Listen, boys, the only thing that should turn a head is an engine roar. The voice that an ear must love is the screeching of tires. The only spot a man would leave on the road is the car donuts. What are we talking about today? American muscles with a giant V8 engine. Yes, American muscle cars stand unrivaled, a symphony of power and design. Born from a legacy of innovation, they boast roaring V8 engines that pulse with unmatched raw energy. With iconic names like Mustang, Challenger, and Camaro, these legends roar down highways, embodying the spirit of freedom and exhilaration. From their striking looks to thunderous horsepower, American muscle cars aren't just vehicles, they are a cultural phenomenon, embodying the heart-pounding thrill of the open road. So, hey there folks, welcome to an adrenaline-packed episode of Muscle Car Showdown. Today, we are diving into the world of raw power, roaring engines, and American muscle legends, the Ford Mustang, the Dodge Challenger, and the Chevrolet Camaro. Buckle up because we're about to take a high-octane ride through these iconic beasts. Number 10, Ford Mustang GT. A snarling 5.0-liter V8, throwing down 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. And let's not forget the 6-speed manual transmission that makes you feel like a real gearhead. Hold on tight, cause 0 to 60 is a sweet 4.4 seconds. A quarter mile is a lightning quick 12.8 seconds, and top speed hits 163 miles per hour. Oh, and sure, the base model has that peppy turbocharged 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. But let's be real, it's the 450 horsepower V8 that's music to our ears. Get ready to rev that engine and hit the asphalt with a grin. With a price tag of $43,090, this means the machine is all about putting the power in your hands. Step on the gas and feel the roar of its engine as you take on the road. Number 9, Dodge Challenger RT. Back in 1970, the Dodge Challenger strutted onto the scene. A true muscle car legend was born. Picture this, the 70 Challenger RT flexing a 425 horsepower 426 Hemi V8, rocking a 4-speed manual, and hitting 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. It blazed through the quarter mile in 13.3 seconds, pure fire on wheels. Fast forward to 2023, and Dodge is bidding farewell to the Challenger. But fear not, it's still leaving us with a seriously badass legacy. Now, let's talk power. The 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack is rocking a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 paired with a 6-speed manual. It's not messing around, launching from 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and tearing up the quarter mile in 11.4 seconds. Oh, and don't forget that top speed of 176 miles per hour. This baby's got some serious hustle. Number 8, Chrysler 300. Alright, let's talk about the Chrysler 300. The ride that's all about comfort, space, and a solid dose of horsepower. Starting around $35,000, this full-size sedan is like a bang-for-your-buck kind of deal. It's got room for 5 and comes in 4 snazzy trims. Now, here's the star of the show, the 300C RWD. It's got that classic 6.4-liter V8 engine and, oh yeah, rear-wheel drive for that extra kick. But hold up, what about gas? Well, this baby's rocking an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city and a cool 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. You are looking at around $36,590. So, if you are in the market for a ride that's got space, style, and a pocket-friendly price tag, the Chrysler 300 might just be your new road companion. Number 7, Dodge Charger RT. Let's rev up the 2023 Dodge Charger RT. It's all about that rear-wheel drive goodness. Starting at $43,970, this bad boy is powered by a punchy 5.7-liter V8 engine ready to rumble. Picture this, 370 horsepower revving at 5,250 RPMs. Yeah, you're gonna feel that power surge. And guess what? It's all about that classic V8 configuration, making those muscles flex just right. Whether you are tearing up the city streets or cruising on the highway, this Charger means business. It's got the moves, hitting 16 miles per gallon in the city and a cool 25 miles per gallon on the highway. With an 8-speed automatic transmission, shifts are smooth as butter. So if you're after that thrill of a V8 and the joy of rear-wheel drive, the 2023 Charger RT is ready to hit the asphalt and turn heads while it's at it. Number 6, Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Hold on to your hats, folks. We are diving into the granddaddy of muscle cars, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This bad boy is like a symphony of power, rocking a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 that's practically flexing at 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. And get this, it's got the Tremec 7-speed automated transmission that shifts faster than you can say horsepower. Now, let's talk price tags. You've got choices, starting from a cool $32,295, all the way up to a wallet-denting $102,145. And if you are feeling the need for speed, there's the GT500 KR, packing a 310 horsepower EcoBoost engine, making sure you are the undisputed king of the asphalt jungle. Time to hit the road like a boss. Number 5, Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Coupe. But wait, here comes the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Coupe, packing a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that dishes out an impressive 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. With a 0 to 60 mile/hour sprint in just 3.1 seconds, it's a true performance monster. And those track-ready features, they make slicing through corners an absolute blast. Plus, with its investment-worthy history, the Camaro ZL1 is more than just a car, it's a potential collector's dream. Get a load of the 2023 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. It's hitting the streets for $69,395. Get ready to rock and roll in style. Number 4, Cadillac CT5V Black Wing. Let's talk about the 2023 Cadillac CT5, a luxury sedan with a secret muscle car twist. Don't be fooled by its understated looks, there's power brewing beneath the surface. Enter the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing, a refined beast that means business. Under the hood roars a 668 horsepower supercharged V8 engine, available with a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic for your driving pleasure. Fancy some extra stopping force? Opt for the carbon ceramic performance brake package. But it's not just about power. Luxurious features like leather upholstery, heated and massaging front seats elevate the experience. Hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.6 seconds, this sedan means business on the road. With a starting price of $94,890, the CT5V Blackwing proves that true muscle transcends appearances and resides where the rubber meets the road. Number 3, Dodge Charger wide-body SRT Hellcat. So get this, Dodge is giving the gas-powered Charger the old farewell wave after 2023. But wait, here's the kicker. They are revving up for an all-electric Charger in the future, complete with a Banshee trim that's supposed to outdo the gas-powered Hellcat. In the meantime, let's soak up the glory of the 2023 SRT Hellcat wide-body red-eye jailbreak, the speed demon of Chargers. Under the hood, a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 teamed up with an 8-speed transmission. And you better believe it, we are talking a jaw-dropping 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. This baby zooms from 0 to 60 in a mere 3.4 seconds and smashes through the quarter mile in just 10.6 seconds. Oh, and it's not holding back with a top speed of 203 miles per hour. Can you feel the speed of nostalgia? Number 2, Chevy Corvette ZR1. Hold on to your seats because the upcoming ZR1 is a blast in itself. Imagine a twin-turbo twist on the Z06's 5.5-liter V8, ready to unleash well over 800 horsepower. That's the kind of firepower that can make the asphalt tremble. Now picture this, 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 2.5 seconds, or maybe even quicker. This mean machine is poised to be the racetrack king, while still keeping its street-smooth charm, just like the Z06. It's a performance showdown, challenging the likes of McLaren's 750S and the Porsche 911 Turbo S. But here's the kicker, the ZR1 is about to throw in a price surprise. At an estimated $150,000, it's gonna undercut the competition by a long shot. So get ready for a ride that's all about raw power, track domination, and a cool factor that's off the charts. Number 1, Dodge Challenger Demon 170. Seriously folks, words can't do justice to how insanely awesome this muscle car is. That is the reason why I have put it in first place. Let's talk about power. A tweaked 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 dishes out a mind-bending 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque. Buckle up, because 0 to 60 happens in a jaw-dropping 1.66 seconds. It's practically taking off like a rocket. And hold on to your hats, it crushed the quarter-mile record at 8.91 seconds, earning the crown of the fastest muscle car ever. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it's got a top speed of 215 miles per hour. So whether you are chasing down dreams or fighter jets, the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 has got you covered. The Challenger might be saying goodbye, but the SRT Demon 170 is a legendary mic drop that'll keep gearheads talking for eons. There you have it folks, a thrilling journey through the world of American muscle. From the thunderous roars of the engines to the heart-pounding acceleration, these cars are more than just metal and horsepower. They're a testament to engineering excellence and a love for the open road. So whether you are a die-hard enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a true automotive masterpiece, there's a muscle car out there for you. Thanks for joining us on Muscle Car Showdown. Until next time, keep those engines revving and those tires burning.